This is my garage door, my new garage door. It's an electric garage door, and I'm going to bring it up now and show you how it works. Oh, hey, look at that. Wow. I'm really happy with this door. I'm sorry about the mess inside the garage, but it's just to show you the garage door in action. Right, wait for it to go up, and there we have it. What a fantastic garage door. And likewise, it coming down. It's also got a thing called a light curtain, so anything that goes under it or through it while it's going down or up, it'll automatically stop the door and raise the door to its highest level. So if cats or anything get in the way, or little children, it'll stop before it hits them, which is really, really good. Anyway, that's a demonstration of my garage door. Thank you very much.